Okay. But shut up, guys. Shut up.
What?
I'm going to tell you something. Okay. Here we are at Grand Canyon, and it's a beautiful view. I'm turning around, and there's Grand Canyon. It goes all the way down, and you can't see a damn thing. This is what we're supposed to see. Mountains. Nothing.
Nothing.
What do you think, Pablo?
I'm actually having fun because I like snow. That's my first time. So I don't care if I don't see anything.
Okay.
And I don't care what Andy say about snow. I like it. By the way, I'm crazy.